Hey guys, it's Josh with No Dad, No Problem, featuring how-tos, interviews, and reviews you can use. Today we're just going to do a real quick video. In my wife's car, there was a notice that the battery was low on the key fob. All of us who own cars are going to go through this at one point or another, so I decided to make this real quick instructional video on how to swap it. Now this is specifically for a Mitsubishi Outlander, but most of the key fobs will run similar processes, so this should at least serve as a guide for you on how to do it for the other ones. To start with, I researched the key fob itself to figure out what kind of replacement battery was going to be needed, and I went out and I purchased that, and then I also realized I need a small screwdriver. So let's cut to the video and show you the replacement in real time. Alright guys, so what I have laid out in front of me here is the key fob, the small screwdriver that I mentioned, a small flathead, and a replacement battery. I just went to the dollar store to get these. Even the dollar store ones will last for a couple of years, so you don't have to go out there and spend a lot of money. The first thing I'm going to want to do is come in here for these, disconnecting the key. Now when we look at this key fob itself, there is a small notch in there, and all I'm going to do is I'm going to take the screwdriver, I'm going to gently pry and turn and work this around to pop it open. Opens up just like that. The battery's in the back. I'm gonna grab my new battery, use my screwdriver to cut open the packaging, make this stuff child resistant, adult resistant, whatever. The one thing I'm going to be mindful of is which way the battery is facing, and so on this one we can see that the labeling for the type of the battery is up. Okay, so my battery has a little safety seal on the back there. I'm going to peel that off. I'm going to use my screwdriver. I'm going to pry this battery out very gently. So that's out. Slide the new battery in, making sure that it's flush. And from there, I am just going to reconnect this. Make sure I got it lined up the right way. Curved end to curved end. Snap it together. And we are done. So as you guys can see, that literally took me less than 2 minutes to do. Real simple process. Had I had the battery open first, the whole swap process would have been even a lot quicker than that. If this video has helped you in any way, please consider leaving us a like. Subscriptions to the channel will help our channel grow. Ringing the bell will give you notifications. Any comments on videos that you'd like to see us do, we're here for our fans 100%. Other than that, be well, be blessed, be loved, and have the best day ever.